Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sunreey, and I'm here to show you guys how I create a sleek ponytail on my 4C hair. This is my hair in a stretch condition. I'm going to wet my hair so that I can apply product easier, brush down my hair, and set the style. I'm going to begin by applying some curl enhancing smoothie and rubbing that in gently through the strands. I chose to do a side part for this style, so I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. Now this step is very important. You want to apply your gel evenly around your hair because this is going to hold and set your style. Next, I use a dimming brush to comb through each strand before I place my hair in a ponytail because it helps aid with the smoothing process. Now let's take our handy dandy scrunchie and place our hair in a nice secure ponytail. This is where the smoothing process begins. The goal here is to smooth down any flyaway hairs and to make sure your baby hairs are laid and on fleek. Now it's time to set the style using a silk scarf. It's very important to use a silk scarf because any cloth material like cotton will soak up your product and create frizz. I let the style set for 30 minutes. Time to unveil. Yes, hair is laid, okay. It's safe to say that I really enjoyed this style. I'm going to be posting some pictures and a 1-minute tutorial on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.